You are going to love the 2013 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer, one-touch windows, trip odometer. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency.